How to fix Shopee M02. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to load up Shopee and make sure you are signed into your account. Then you will click on free shipping and vouchers here in the top left corner. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the voucher which you want to redeem. If you see any vouchers you like, you will simply click on claim here, and you might get this error. Now, if you get this error, then the first thing that you can do is try a different voucher. And you have the different tiers here. So you have vouchers for new users, you have discount vouchers, so on and so forth. So here you just choose the voucher which you like and claim it. Now, if that doesn't work, the second thing that I suggest doing is clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and then clicking on the gear icon again here in the top right. And you want to sign out of your account, click on log out at the bottom and then log back into your account. If that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is changing your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, try switching over to a Wi-Fi connection, and that should fix it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.